In this video lesson, we're going to talk about how to subtract mixed numbers with regrouping. So let's begin. 7 and 1/5, we can write that as 7 plus 1 over 5. And 2 and 3/4 is 2 plus 3 over 4. But because we have the negative sign, we need to distribute that to both the 2 and the 3 over 4. Now the next thing we need to do is combine like terms, in this case the whole numbers. 7 plus -2 or 7 minus 2 is 5. So we have 5 plus 1 over 5 and then minus 3 over 4. Now 1 over 5 minus 3 over 4, in order to perform that operation we need to get common denominators. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction using the denominator of the second and the second fraction using the denominator of the first. So multiplying across, we have 4 times 1, which is 4, and 4 times 5, which is 20. Here we have 5 times 3, which is 15, and 4 times 5, that's 20. So now that we have the same denominator, we can combine the numerators. 4 minus 15 over 20. That's going to be negative 11 over 20. Now, what we need to do is we need to do some regrouping. We need to borrow a 1 from the 5. So 5, I'm going to write that as 4 plus 1. Now, 1, we can write that as 20 over 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. And the reason why I chose 20 is because of this denominator here. So now we can subtract 20 by 11, and that's going to give us 9. So we have 4 plus 9 over 20. Once you have a whole number and a fraction, you can write it as a mixed number. So 4 plus 9 over 20 is 4 and 9, 20. So that's the answer. That's how you can subtract two mixed numbers with regrouping.